What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are going to be taking a little drive to a car meetup. It's going to be with the Parker County Corvette group, and it's going to be at this really cool place where it's all like lit up with Christmas lights and everything. So really cool. I've been doing it for the last 2-3 years at this point. This will be the third time that I've gone to it. So in any case, I thought it would be a cool video to share with you guys. So let's get on the road, headed over there and see what's going on. right, guys, so a lot of cool cars here at this little get-together. It's always a blast to just hang out with everybody here and just enjoy the lights and just catch up. You know, this is actually in the middle of the week, so yeah, this is just, I just enjoy all this kind of stuff. I can't even talk today. It's been a long work day. So, but in any case, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.